Hello, my name is Darius. My family and I spent 4 years in India. We walked on a spiritual path and had many experiences in a colorful spiritual way. And I'd like to speak about daily spirituality. So, can carrot juice be spiritual? You can do any action as a simple routine or a ritual, and it can be spiritual. The difference is those 3 letters S, B, and I. I dare to say that. Yes, anything can be either spiritual or not. As one spiritual scholar told, the difference is the 3 letters S, B, I. They stand for spiritual power for the individual. One would feel uplifted after doing something, feeling more energy and happier, or not. So if I make carrot juice for my wife, thinking with love that there is God in her, and I feel like making juice for God, it becomes a spiritual practice. Daily chores can be permitted by spirituality. And if you make juice thinking, OMG, I could spend this time better, then juice will contain no spiritual charge.